We'll do the this functional group. Its common name is cyanide, and in organic IUPAC we call it nitrite. So what will be the name of see? How many carbons are there? 2 carbon. No carbon-carbon double bond. What is the name of the functional group? Nitrite. N is not a vowel, so the name of the compound is ethane nitrite. See, easy. Write the name of this. C carbon, prop. Then you have double bond. Okay. See, you cannot have double bond between this carbon and nitrogen. Why? Because if you have put double bond here, in that case it will be valence of carbon will be 5. So if you wish, because it's 1, 2, 3. If you wish, you can write here 2 in, or if you do not put also no problem. Right. So it is called prop. Sorry. Two in nitrate. Its common name is acrylonitrile. In class 12, you learn it's a very important compound because it is being used for polymerization. Okay. Now, write the name of this. Do not remain quiet. Hmm? What is the name? Hello.
So is it pentane nitride?
You have to put number, na? What?
Pentane 1,5 dinitride.
Yes, 1,5 dinitride. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This basic thing you don't forget. Always put number. Pentane, pen. N 1,5 dinitride. So it is dinitride. Now suppose if it is like this, then what will be the name? See, same situation we have found in case of aldehyde and carboxylic acid. So what will be the name? So in this case, we think that all these cyanides are outside the main chain. So if nitriles are considered as outside the main chain, then it is named as carbonitride. See, in case of aldehyde, we call it carboxyaldehyde or carbaldehyde. In case of oleic acid, we call it carboxylic acid. So they will be called as carbonitride. So how will you name it? 1, 2, 3. So the name will be, we consider now the main chain consists of 3 carbon. So it will be prop ANE, then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 tri carbonitride. So the name is propane 1, 2, 3 tri carbo. Okay, now today we'll go for naming of aromatic compounds. See, IUPAC nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds. Compounds name. Consist of three parts. What are those? Prefix, word root, and suffix. Here you, like aliphatic compounds, you cannot have secondary prefix, primary prefix, and primary suffix and secondary suffix. No, only consists of three parts. Prefix stands for substitution. Suffix stands for functional roots. Word root. It is derived from classical name. You don't have to count the carbon. Classical name. Such as benzene. Naphthalene. Anthracene, etc.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll go for this. We write down hello. Hello compound means containing chlorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay. Suppose it is this. Okay. We'll first go for aromatic hydrocarbons. So this is what this is called benzene. See, if I have taken this CH3, okay, it's not a functional group. So what is its common name? We generally call it by this only. It's called toluene. This you have to learn. Toluene. But what is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is what? This is called methyl. So we'll call it. This is prefix, word root, and suffix. Prefix is methyl. This is called benzene. Nothing is there. See, I often told you in a cyclic compound, we do not know which is the first carbon. And if it contains only one carbon, one substitution, we never number it. So I will not put any number here. What is the name here? Name is methyl. Okay. Suppose I have taken this. Now there are two. Now you have to number it. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 1,4 di 1,4 dimethyl. So the name is 1,4 dimethyl benzene. Okay. What is his common name? His common name is. It's a very important compound. Xylene. Shivani. Shivani. Mahna. So what will be the name?
Ethyl 1-methyl benzene.
No. See, cyclic compound, you do not know which is the first carbon. And these are not functional group. So obviously you have to number it on alphabetical order. If as I written like this, please never think that this is 1. I can write it in any way. See, this molecule, if I turn it in the left side, what will happen? See here, this will come like this, and this will come like this. Now, can you say that this is the first carbon? So you have to give now alphabetical order. For substitution, always in case of aromatic compound, you have to number it in alphabetical order. Okay, so it is, this is ethyl, this is methyl. So this will be 1 and this will be 2. So right now. If you take infinite time, then when can I finish? What is the name? Did you write?
Sir, 1-ethyl 2-methyl benzene.
Yes. So now we will go for halo compound. You know, halogen is a functional group, but in IUPAC we consider them as substitution. So, what will be the name of this molecule? What will be the molecule name?
The chlorobenzene.
Yes, this will be chlorobenzene because we will not number it. Correct. So this is called chloro, and this will be nothing is there. So this is called chloro. Okay. Name it.
We promote 1-chloro.
Yes. I told you. halogen is being considered as substitution. So what is the rule for substitution? And in cyclic compound, you cannot say which is first carbon. So how should you go for numbering? Should you go for numbering like looking at the top, which is written on the top? Or you should go for in alphabetical order?
Alphabetical, sir.
So what will be the name now?
It's 1 bromo, 3 chlorobenzene.
Yes, it is 1 bromo, 3 chlorobenzene. So don't make this mistake. This is 1 bromo, 3 chlorobenzene. Okay, tell me the name of this.
Methyl benzene.
Yes, 1 bromo, 4 beta. Good guy. Third, nitro compound. So what will be the name? Always remember halogen, nitro, nitroso, and ethers are never considered as, though they are functional group, but when you write the name, we never consider them as functional groups. So it will always appear at the prefix, not at the suffix.
Nitrobenzene.
Yes, it is called nitrobenzene. Good. We will not put any number. Nice.
It's toluene or
No. We will not go for common name. We'll go for IPC name.
okay, so methylhexane.
Good. Do you remember English alphabets?
Yes. Sir. Oh, it's no, sir, I'm confused.
English alphabets also you got confused. Please
It's
tell
from M is coming first and then N. So it's
So in the numbering should be done on the basis of what? Alphabet format.
alphabetical. Yeah, it's
Then?
one methyl.
Yeah.
1 2 3 3 4 5 3 5 dinitro.
Yes. 1 methyl 3,5
3,5
dinitro. Yes. So it is 1-methyl 3,5 dinitrobenzene. Okay. Now we'll go for ethers. Ethers. See, its common name is what? We know this functional group is called ether when oxygen from both sides you have carbon. So this is called methyl, this is called phenyl. It's called methyl phenyl ether, but it is more popularly known as anisole. We always call it anisole. But in IUPAC name, what will happen? IUPAC name will be, we'll consider this to be substituted on benzene ring. So OCH3 group is called what? Methoxy. Okay? And this is called benzene. So the name is methoxy benzene. Similarly, if I have taken this OCH2, CH3, I'll call it ethoxy benzene. Okay? So now, please write the name of this.
Methyl benzene.
Yes, 1-methoxy, 4-methyl benzene. Okay, now we'll go for functional groups. Okay, we'll write now here 1. Where is it? Okay, this class of compounds are called, see, when you go for aliphatic compound, we call them as alcohol. But here we do not call them as alcohols. Okay? As called as phenols. Okay? See now. Its common name is phenol. Okay? You are using in your house also. This is a disinfectant. Okay? Most of the houses you are using disinfectant in the form of phenyl. The commercial name of phenol is phenyl. This is being used for disinfection of your toilet, drain. Even sometimes you'll find you mop your house also with the white fluid. Different companies have different name. Okay? But its IUPAC name is not phenol. See here, it does not have any substitution. It has a functional group. So name starts with this, benzene. And we know which group is called what? All. We call it all. So O is a vowel, this will be dropped. What will be the name? Benzenol. Please remember. IUPAC name, though people are writing IUPAC name as phenol, but its actual name is benzenol. In your textbook, they have given the IUPAC name is phenol, but actual name is benzenol. Okay? So we'll write now. This common name you need not bother, but at least one or two you should know. His common name is called catechol. This we derive from betel nut. Because of that, the name has become catechol. So what will be the IUPAC name?
Benzene 1,2 diol.
Very good, very good. So this is called okay. Please write the name of this. Okay. Common name of this one is ortho. Resolve. Okay. What do we write here? O. This ortho meta para I will teach you later. Orthocresol. This compound is a very good disinfectant or antiseptic also. This is being used in making Dettol. Finished?
Sir, 2-methylbenzenol.
Hmm?
2-methylbenzenol.
Very good. Because moment it is a functional group, dear, always preference is numbering is given to the functional group. In that case, we will not see the alphabetical order of the substitution. So it is 1 and this is 2. So it is called 2-methyl. Benzene OL. If you can put 1 also, or you need not put 1. Why? Because 1 will be always this one. So it's called 2-methyl benzene. So O is a vowel, this will be dropped. Good. Then NH2 group. Okay. So now, if it is NH2, okay, is common name is aniline. Common name is aniline. Please remember, this name is being derived from Sanskrit. Okay. Why? See, India was the largest exporter of indigo. Have you heard the name of indigo?
Yes, sir.
Acha. What for it is being used? Indigo?
Dye.
Huh?
It's a blue dye.
Yes. And that is being made of this compound. So this compound is being derived from indigo. Now where from? Why do you call it Sanskrit? See here. In Sanskrit, that indigo color is called what? What you call? Blue color, what you call in Hindi or in Bengali or in Sanskrit? What you call?
Neil.
Yes. And Khasi, what you call? Hello. So many Khasi ladies and gentlemen are here in this group. What do you call it in Khasi? Blue color?
Sir, blue.
Blue color, BLU. BLUE. In Khasi, what do you call the color to be?
So we see it blue only.
Yes. But do you not use a blue color after washing white clothes? Do you not dip it in that blue solution? Huh? Do you not use it to make it brighter? Sob jani. Huh? Do you wash cloth at home? None of you wash white cloth. Do you not, after washing cloth, do you not put it in a blue solution?
Yes, sir.
What do you call it?
Lir.
Yes. So this leer is nothing but Nil. Okay. Now what will be the name of this IPC name? prefix, word root, and suffix. What is this? Benzene. What is this? A is vowel, this will be dropped. So what will be the IUPAC name? Benzylamine. Do it fast. Huh? I cannot take so many classes, IUPAC classes, then what will happen? Then when should I finish your course? See, this some basic concept chapter I got is PDF. I'm going to post you, but it is very big. I've given you numerous compound only for your entrance exam. So I'll post it after a few days. So, what is the name?
Benzene 1,2 diamine.
Yes, benzene 1,2 diamine. Very good. See, it is not a vowel, so this will be there. So what will be the name? Write the name of these two. So what is the name?
2-methyl-benzenamine.
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir.
And the first one?
And Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Health Minister, tweeted regarding all this criticism that is raised for anyone who criticizes the critical issue and wants that Sachin Tharoor, Akhilesh Yadav, and Jairam Ramesh, and saying don't try to discredit where they have time to draft.
Okay, this is the one. And in the first case, we find that methyl group is on nitrogen. Okay, this is for this. I told you that when the substitution on nitrogen, we do not put a number. What do you put it here? N. So the name of the first compound is N-methyl benzenamide.
And that is the reason why experts have repeatedly questioned that what exactly first started with a very interesting statement that said that it could approval is being given, but it could be clinical trial more because we've got public interest because of like a continuing state. But that entire statement was very hard to comprehend, and that is something that even experts pointed out. They said, and even former drug regulators said that spoke to NDP. We had a deputy controller who's been in the body in the past, but he pointed out that it's an unprecedented that an approval is being given.
Finished.
And that is because there is no draft report of such an event company. Experts kept questioning it. And that is why one from scientific.
What is the name of this?
The opposition started raising the same questions. And multiple government officials, whether it was the LCMRC or the AIDS director, they came forward with their explanations. The AIDS director said that it is only a passive vaccine. LCMR had said that the efficacy data was consistent, but they got given exact timeline. And because there has been so much confusion that the health minister himself has issued multiple explanations on his Twitter, or field if you look at it, if you look at his Twitter timeline, over the past 24 hours, he has issued multiple tweets in order to explain how coaxium is going to be rolled out to get the confusion remains. He says that it will be clinical trial, everybody who receives the coaxium will be tracked and monitored because it will be a clinical trial, unlike what is going to happen to the recipients of the CRS.
Written.
There is still no clarity on how the administration of the coaxium is going to differ from the CRS. That is why we are seeing questions from all around, whether it is from academicians and scientific experts or it is opposition partners. All right, Jessica, thanks so much for joining us. We will also details. We'll leave it there. We're trying to get more updates on the vaccine approvals, but let's talk about numbers now. In Mumbai on Sunday, reported just 3 deaths.
Sir, is it N,4-dimethyl-benzenamine?
Yes, perfectly correct. It is N,4 dimethyl. Yes, it is N,4 dimethyl benzenamide. Perfectly correct. Okay. What's the name of this? I'm giving so many examples so that You should not have any confusion in your life, and people should know that you know it. And when you are school, yes.
Sir, is it N, N dimethyl 4-ethyl benzenamide?
Acha, now see here. What is your name? Are you Gitanjali?
Yes, sir.
Gitanjali. When we write, we have to write in alphabetical order. Okay. So dimethyl starts with D and ethyl starts with E. But rule says we are not supposed to see the alphabet of a multiple. Di, tri, these are multiple. We are supposed to only consider the first alphabet of the name of the groups. What is the name of the group? Name of the group is methyl. Okay. Name of the group is ethyl. Though there are two methyls are there, we call it dimethyl, but you have to consider only methyl here. So what will be the name now?
4-ethyl N, N dimethyl benzenamide.
Yes. So I'm going giving you all options so that you should not have any confusion. So here the name will be 4-ethyl N, N dimethyl. So the name is 4-ethyl N, N dimethyl benzyl. Very good guy. Acha, Miss Sharon is there. Huh? Hello. Sharon Lapang. Sharon Lapang, are you there? Okay. This is one. This. So what will be the name of the first one? See here the methyl is on the first case, methyl is on the same nitrogen. So if the methyl is on the same nitrogen, so we'll write like this. N, see it is 1 and 2. So it is N dimethyl benzene 1,2 diamine. Means it is on the, though there are two NH2 groups are there, but methyl is on the only one in one of them. So the name will be this is a vowel, so this will be there. Yes. And in second case, they are on the different nitrogen. Okay, first we write down this. Fine. They're on the different nitrogen. So I already taught you. Okay. If they're on different nitrogen, what will put here? N prime. They are on different nitrogen. So the name will be N prime dimethyl benzene 1,2-diamine. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have done all variations. So you should remember. And you have to practice, huh? Don't, not that it just I told you and you shut the book and do it. Take this example from the books or from your different guidebooks and try to do it. Okay. Then comes 5. Now we'll go for LD. That is CHO or okay. His common name is okay. Common name is benzaldehyde. But do you know, I already taught you. See, in this case, the CHO group is outside the main chain. So as the CHO group is outside the main chain, the functional group will be named as what? Huh? In aromatic aldehydes, CHO group is outside the main chain. Hence, it will be called as carbox aldehyde or carbaldehyde. So what will be the name of this? Name of this will be, IUPAC name will be what? Is called benzene carbaldehyde. C is a vowel, so in this case, E will not be dropped. At the name of this.
Two methyl benzene carbaldehyde.
Yes. Now, I'll give you one more molecule. Huh? Please remember. These two molecules have the same formula. They are isomers. What will be the name of this? See, in this case, this molecule functional group is not on the aromatic ring, but it is in the aliphatic chain. So the name of the compound will be 1, 2. So it will be 2 phenyl. So this will be considered as a substitution. So 2 carbon, ethan, ethyl. So it is called 2-phenyl ethanol. Please don't consider it to be aromatic compound. Aromatic will be only when CH is on the main chain. Please see it. It is on main chain. So it is aromatic aldehyde. This is aliphatic aldehyde. This is aromatic aldehyde, and this is aliphatic aldehyde. This is the way they will try to confuse you, and so don't fall into the trap. Hello, buddy. Mhm. Mm. 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 Mm.
নাহলে কালকেও দেওয়া যাবে অবশ্য
have written? What is the name?
Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde.
Yes, benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Very good. Now, carboxylic acid. Okay. This is a structure. Okay. So his common name is benzoic acid. Now we know that you know outside the mention what we call it. So what will be the IUPAC name now? IUPAC name is it's called benzene carboxylic acid because C is not a vowel, so E will be there. Again, tell me again. Please repeat.
4-methyl benzene carboxylic acid.
4-methyl benzene carboxylic acid. Correct. Write the name of this.
The 3-chloro-4-methyl benzene carboxylic acid.
Yes, 3-chloro-4-methyl benzene carboxyl. Very good. See, this acid is very important acid. We call it terephthalic acid. Okay. From here, what you make? We make a polymer. We make a polymeric fiber. Okay. make a polymer which is known as terylene. Remember, the water bottle in which that commercially available, you buy 10 rupees, 20 rupees water bottles. These bottles are also being made by this. We call it PET bottles. They are called polyterethylene. So write the name of this.
Sir, benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid.
Yes. I don't know. Maybe it is 7. Yes, star. Okay. Common name is ethyl benzene. Known as carboxylate. See here. So here the name will be, suppose this is this. See here. Prefix so I told you this alkyl group will not be written here, will be written here. What is the name of this? Ethyl. It's called ethyl benzene carboxylate. So after ethyl, there will be a gap. We'll put a gap here. Ethyl benzene carboxylate. See here, now, you have a methyl here and you have a methyl here. This methyl is substituted on this main chain and this methyl is of the oxygen. So what was the name here? The name is, this methyl will be outside. Then we will give a gap and here it will be 1 and 2. So it is this. So it is methyl, then we have gap, 2-methyl, benzene, carboxylate.
Sir, I didn't understand this one.
See here, the alkyl group which is bonded to the oxygen, we will not put from here to here. We'll put it outside. So this remains outside. Say you have gone to a place with your sister and with your friend. When you introduce them to others, you will say she is my sister. That is this. But she is not related to you. Then you will tell that she is my friend. So here we will put the thing in under this prefix up to suffix when it is a part of the main molecule. Is it not, this methyl is bonded to the oxygen? Okay. So this will be kept separate. Alkyl group which is attached to the ester functional group through oxygen, this will not be clubbed together in the main name. This will be kept isolated. Okay. Okay, now we'll go for acid chloride. How it is being written? COCl or what? This is the actual structure. So what we will write now here? Carbamoyl chloride. Common name is benzoyl chloride. What is the IUPAC name? Say it is this is nothing is there. Benzene, carbamoyl, then we get. So the name is benzene, carbamoyl chloride. So it will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be four chloro. So the name will be 4 chloro benzene carbonyl chloride. So now we'll go to another one. It's called amide. Is written as CONH2 or CaNH. So aromatic amide. CONH2 group is called as carboxamide. So common name is IUPAC name is what? Benzene carboxamide. One word. So is what? This. Write the name of this. So what is the name?
4-methyl benzene carboxamide.
Yes, very good. Now, See here. Here it is methyl group is on nitrogen. So what will be the name now? N-methyl. So the name will be N-methyl benzene carboxamide. Done. Okay, now we'll do the last one. This we have not discussed earlier. SO3H or this is the one. It's called sulfonic acid. We call this to be is called benzene sulfonic. That acid is separate. So name is
তুই কি খাবি রুটি রুটি দিয়ে কোনো কাজে কিনবি হ্যাঁ রুটি
it's called 4-methyl benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. So I shall take one more class on the nomenclature containing